Ready? Oh, I dipped my phone in the water. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Ooh. So we're going to be doing a Q&A for you guys today. So I did put some questions on my Instagram story, and a few of you, I didn't put the questions, I asked for your questions and a few of you have answered. So we're just going to be giving a quick little Q&A. We don't have tons of time, so we're not going to answer all of them, but we're going to try and answer a few.
Yeah, definitely.
So we're here at Henko, as you can see by the glorious wine. So I'll link down my vlog down below if you'd like to check that one out from our stay here. But today's video is just us answering your fabulous questions. So, are we dating?
I wish. I've asked so many times, but she keeps rejecting me.
What can I say? I just gotta play it mean, keep him keen.
Exactly.
You know, it's just one of those things.
Exactly.
But no, we're not dating. But we do have a pact that if we're unmarried by 30, we're gonna marry each other.
Exactly.
And we're dead serious about that.
Dead serious.
100%
like
serious.
literally, we can't.
It is solid.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then someone else has asked, did Jodie get to see me when I was in France? So for those of you who don't know, I was studying in France on my masters during COVID, and still during COVID.
Great fun.
This time last year, and unfortunately Jodie tried and tried, but travel just wasn't an option.
I mean, you almost got stuck in France, so I think
I
me
did.
getting there when she wasn't even assisted to not being let out, it's like, ah.
It was so stressful, so
bad.
stressful. But I moved to Greece, probably by the time you're watching this, literally in a week. So hopefully, now that we're both double vaccinated,
I'll be going to visit you.
everything should go to plan, we hope. But Jodie's also starting her masters. That's another question. What are we doing currently?
Yeah.
Masters!
Yeah, we just love education.
Yeah, we're smart
So
chicks.
much.
We're in higher education now in STEM subjects.
Boy, yeah. So
We ain't
we'll
got
see how that
time
goes.
for anything else.
I just
so.
wish us luck. You'll see us in a year's time, why
Regrets.
did we do this to ourselves?
Yeah, so we're still students,
Yeah,
still rocking that boat, but
yeah. All the good, glorious student discounts.
whoop whoop.
So good.
That's obviously, we're only students for the discounts.
100%,
That's it. Yeah, totally. Totally. So what got you into fossils? So I guess that's dedicated at moi a little bit
I
more.
love fossils, but I'm afraid this chick got me into fossils.
This
so
is true. She's a great assistant when we go fossil hunting. Like, she will carry my rocks for miles.
I'm the brawn. She's the beauty. I'm the brawn.
Exactly. No, we're both the beauties.
Fossils.
You just come with brawn as well. So no, we go fossil hunting as regularly as we can do, but obviously we're both just quite busy people, so
I'm just slowly sinking.
we're literally perched in the hot tub, on the edge, just chatting with you guys, because some of you have nice questions, so we thought we'd answer. Some of them not so nice. You know who you are.
Grr.
Grr. How tall are you and me? But you go first.
I'm 5'3" on a really good day, so if you measure me on the morning, I'll be 5'3".
But that is the thing, you're taller in the mornings,
You
aren't
are,
you?
100%, 'cause
Dip my phone in again.
Please stop dipping your phone.
My phone's not waterproof and it's got cracks in it, and I keep just dunking it in the hot tub, as you
keep
do.
thinking she's, dunking her rich tea, but
Just
no.
notice my phone in a hot tub. So you're we'll go with 5'3", and I'm about 5'5.5" on a good day.
So 5'6", rounding it up.
Yeah, 5'6". We'll go with that, but I 5'5" in the evening, so that's
Yeah.
what I tell people. Next one, are we married to each other, is that? Or probably
just in general.
just in general.
No, both single Pringles
Single Pringles. We just don't have time
for men.
for the shit that men bring,
Exactly.
honestly.
Yeah. I mean, if one good enough turns up, but
I think the term strong, independent women is what we are.
Yeah,
so we're kind of
100%.
riding that one at the moment.
100%.
Someone's asked what name of lipstick shade. Wait, no. Name of your lipstick shade. I read that completely wrong. It's a Dior matte. Matte something. I'll try and link it down below for you. It's my favourite. Like, it's so nice.
Yeah.
So, and in case it was for you, what were you wearing? Do you remember?
Dior. I think it's called Rosalind.
It was like
possibly.
a glossy one, wasn't
Oh,
it?
the glossy one.
I think it's still Dior.
Oh yeah, it's Dior, but it'll be one of the lip oils. So, and they've got so many. Honestly, Dior lip products in general are literally like next level.
Yeah.
I love them to pieces.
And I find they
So
last really well. Like I mean, I shouldn't say this because I'm pretty sure once they're open, you're meant to throw them away after 12 months. But I have been using the same ones for like 2 years now, and they're still going really strong.
And they last. They're
really
nice.
creamy.
They don't dry your lips out either. They're just so.
Yeah.
They're so nice, and
We
the
love
shades
them.
are, mwah,
Mwah. We're big fans.
big fans.
How many countries have we been to? Too
I
many
feel like
to
you've
count.
definitely been to more than me, but
I did count at one point, and I think
states count as different countries. No, they
probably
count
not.
as-
But I mean, like, I
I
won't tell
can't
anyone.
I'm so blonde when it comes to
I mean,
places.
ginger is just—it's kind of. They say strawberry blonde,
Exactly.
so that's fine. You can
Yeah,
say
where
that.
have you been?
I think I calculated that at some point, and I think it's like 19.
Okay.
So I'm not going to be able to. I wrote them on my phone actually a while ago.
Oh.
Should I see if I
Yeah,
still
see
got
if you have
the
it, See
thing?
if you have it. Whilst you look for that, I've been to. I've no clue how many numbers. Let's count. So I've been to. Are we counting like England, Ireland, Scotland, Wales?
Yeah, of course we
Of
are.
course, I've been to all of those. So England, Ireland, Scotland, Wales.
I haven't been
four.
to Ireland.
Have you not?
No,
I've been
no.
to Ireland and
I really want to
both
go.
segments of Ireland.
I want to go to the Giant's Causeway,
Where's that?
Ireland.
I have been, I swear.
We'll have to go together at some
Definitely,
point.
that sounds good. And then I've been to Denmark, France, Spain. I mean, the Canary Islands are technically Spain, but
No, just Keiko.
Kuala Lumpur, Bali. Been to America multiple times.
I was
Like,
going to say,
lots
you've been
of
to some
different-
bougie places.
Yeah, lots of different areas in like America.
Yeah.
But if we're counting America as America, it's all just kind of Central America, like Belize and New York, and I went skiing in different places and blah blah blah. So I think that's about it. Oh, and I've been
Healthy
to
list,
Doha.
Tour. That was a really like, must tell you the last one.
Where's Doha? Is Doha just the place? Or is it where my airplane took me? I can't remember. But yeah,
I don't know.
I haven't been many places, and I'm not very educated on places. So
I mean, that's a good amount though,
Yeah.
considering, 22, it's not a bad number.
bad.
So
Not too shabby.
I've been to I don't even know why I made this list. I was this was way before I asked about this Q&A, and I just suddenly wanted to know everywhere I've been to in one list, so I can literally just read off my phone. So I've been to Iceland, I've been to Cuba, I've been to Marrakesh, I've been to Egypt, been to Austria, been to Canada.
Oh wait, I've done Austria too.
There we go. Been to Florida, been to Germany, Spain, Italy, Poland, Cyprus, Greece, France, Netherlands, aka Amsterdam, Belgium, Portugal, England, Wales, and Scotland.
There's a fly in the water.
Thank you. Yeah, that's the only issue with hot tubs in the middle of the countryside. But the bugs here, not that you get loads of bugs in the water is actually
Lovely.
fine. But the bugs here, you just kind of, you
So many
live
daddy
with them.
long legs.
So many.
So many.
We tried to show on camera like just how many there were in the vlog, but it didn't, like, they're so like skinny. It's really
Yeah.
hard to like show them up on camera, I
Yeah,
find.
the camera can't pick them up.
Yeah.
But yeah, damn, you are mad travels.
Well, I didn't realise until I put them in a
Put
list.
them in a list,
I think
yeah.
if you put them in a list, it looks
Literally,
surprisingly
yeah,
long.
Yeah, definitely. I think we've both been very lucky.
So, let's answer a few more before we call it. What has been the best thing you've done this summer?
This?
Obviously.
Like,
we went to
lit-
Henko, we had a vineyard tour, and we sit in a hot tub. Generally, I think this does top
yeah,
it.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This.
definitely. Can't beat it.
We're living it right now.
right here, right
And we're
now.
loving it.
I'm so ready for dinner tonight. I'm so excited.
ready.
I'm ordering prawns. Yay!
Yeah, we'll get some video footage of it, and it'll probably be in the other vlog,
Yeah.
but maybe I'll just throw it in for you here as well. But let's see.
It's a lovely restaurant as well, and the view is incredible. You look over all the wine, like the vineyard. I'm about to call them wine fields, and that's just not what they're called.
It's a
is
wine field.
it is a wine
I love
field.
that.
But yeah, you look over all the vineyards, and they're all at an angle, and then you literally see the horizon with like all the hills and mountains and like sunset and everything. It's so pretty. It's so lovely.
It's really, really lovely. Please come back to YouTube. Just Ginger.
Who dat?
I'm saying that as well.
I'm trying. I'm just really rubbish. I am rubbish.
It's really hard when you're juggling like full-time education to like just get into the flow of it.
Yeah, 100%.
Because you guys see this content, but a lot we have to like plan it in, you got to edit it, then the upload, it's not just uploading it, you got to do all the like extra stuff that goes with it, and it is really time consuming.
I was going to say, me and editing just aren't friends. I just don't have the patience for it. So
you're a busy gal.
Yeah.
Do you work out?
Have you seen these swans?
I think part of it is, you know, I think we got good metabolisms, but we're just active people. I mean, you're always doing stuff.
I'm always, to be fair, yeah, I work out a lot, especially with like
in the you're more sports than just workouts, aren't you?
Yeah, I don't gym often. If I go to the gym, it's a very sporadic in the moment.
We used to gym till 3 a.m. together.
Yeah,
that's a story time.
Yeah, but like the rugby club I play for, we have like a whole strength and conditioning like side of it. So we're in the gym there, which is workouts, do lots of fitness training. I play a lot of badminton and I go on runs. So a fair bit more.
I fossil hunt.
That's active.
And I lift a lot of heavy rocks. To be fair, my lifestyle, because I'm always like lifting and touching rocks.
You're always on the mood, on the move.
I'm always on the move.
Always on the mood.
It tends to just keep me fit, and then I think the rest is genetics. They're on my side a little bit.
They are massively.
Are we sisters?
Yes.
Si, senor. We're not actually, if that was a genuine question. Sisters by choice, not by DNA.
She's my sister from another mister.
That is correct. And then we'll finish on this one because I like it because it's geology related. Sedimentary, metamorphic or igneous rocks?
Ooh.
Pick one. I picked sedimentary because fossils, if you want a bit of education here, follow MGens for a lot more, but metamorphic and igneous you don't get fossils in, so they're just not my thing. I like my very, very dead things.
Yeah.
There we go. Which are found in sedimentary.
Cool. I don't know the different types of rocks. I know them. I learnt them in about year 9 geography. I like metamorphic rocks because I like the word.
There we go. Answers your question. But I hope you enjoyed this little Q&A session. This was just, just a quick update. Obviously, you guys haven't seen Jodie in ages, so I thought it'd be nice for you to see her for not just one video, but have a catch up together because she's still very much here.
I'm very much alive, guys, don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry, she's still around. But comment down below anything you'd like to see in the future. Chances are we won't have much time now to film it, but we'll keep it in mind.
Definitely.
We do promise. Definitely. And if Jodie does have time for YouTube, she will be posting. So do follow her channel.
Keep an eye out.
Just in case.
Just keep an eye out.
When she has the time, she'll be back.
Yeah. I think it just doesn't help. I always have like at least 3 or 4 jobs on the go.
She's crazy, like, but really dedicated. You got to give it to her.
Yeah,
like,
as are you. It's crazy what you've achieved. So yeah.
We are boss bitches.
Yes. We are.
Okay, we're gonna sign off here, otherwise it's gonna get weird. But everything will be linked down below. So enjoy. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
I want some heat. Where's the heat coming from? It's a cold tub. It's a cold tub.
It's a cold tub.
It's a cold tub. Yeah, so this, like, they probably...
There's no heat coming out of here.
So this is a log burning hot tub, so we have to put the fire in ourselves, but sometimes it gets too hot and then sometimes it gets too cold.
We'd much rather too cold than too hot, that's the thing.
Especially on a beautiful evening like this. Yeah. So we've gone for the too cold option, but now we're like, please,
please, I'm too cold.
Please give me some.
Should I put some more wood in there or something?
You can do, but you'd have to get out. And that's a cold thing to do.
It is.